Hello, I hope you're well. I've got a new tool. It's this leveling table. Yes, I can call it that. It's very easy to build. I bought it at Temu. There are other stores that do this, of course, but they're much more expensive. You have seen there are little wheels on the back which you insert very easily and then adjust so that here the little bubble in the middle, I'm going to bring you closer until the little bubble is well centered. You can easily adjust the feet by screwing or unscrewing them. The feet can also be tilted if desired, and it comes with a little silicone mat, so it's very practical. And I'm going to install it right away. And with this silicone mat, it's easy to clean. It doesn't lay like that. It looks good, but it's not like that, so I'll install it. So today we are going to plant cacti. I can assure you we are not really going to do any gardening. Firstly, because I'm not good at gardening. But I did buy some tiny pots in terracotta, and I've got a cactus mold. So I'm not sure about this one, but I think I got it from Temu too. It's going to be a multiple stage process, of course. This mat is not easy to install. But I also be able to use my super light clay extra. Yes, my table is not leveling. So, see you in a second. First step, I have applied tape for UV resin underneath my pots, and I'm going to plug up the little hole because when I'm going to apply my super light clay, I don't want it to go underneath. I don't want to sand it to get it clean, etc. So I'm going to apply a little dot of UV resin inside and outside, and I dry this little dot of resin, and my pot will be hermetic. And that's the first step. I won't show you, it's not difficult. And I'll cure them with my UV torch this time. It's easier. Before filling my little pots, I'll show you. I put a small dot of UV resin inside and outside and cure both sides, since when I removed the tape, the bottom one wasn't quite hard enough here. So I put them aside, careful not to break them. And I've got to make my little cacti and plant them in my pots. But one terrible thing is that, as I'm not someone who particularly likes green, I have very little green dyes. It's a shame, but it is what it is. And then I thought, why not complicate things a bit? So I'm going to try, and I'm going to see if it works first, and if it doesn't, I'll give up the idea. So I don't want a uniform green color. So I'm going to use a little bit of mica powder with a little brush. I really have to go very slowly inside these molds, which are very narrow. I don't know if it's really going to work, but I'm going to give it a try, and then that's it. I've prepared my resin, I've prepared my color mixes, because as I told you, I'm very poor in green. So this one, for example, I mixed turquoise and yellow to get this shade, these two past. In this other one, it's a shame it doesn't show much. I mixed, oops, the sublime emerald green from Just For You Online. I mixed it with this mica powder from Resin8, a company that no longer exists, and it's called X Strong Mint. I also have this green from Just Resin that I've had for years, which has kept pretty well, unlike the other colors. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one. I'll wait. I'll see how I do. Well, now I'm just going to pour, and I think I've done enough. Well, the only one I have a problem is this one, the second from your left. So, how am I going to get these down? I must admit I'm a bit stumped. No. The resin won't get down in the two branches. It annoys me, but it is what it is. I've still got a lot of resin left, of course. So, what are we going to do? Well, we are going to mix it all together. I don't know what it will do. Now, all I have to do is cure it all, them all, and then we'll start planting the cacti. Very easy. Now my little cacti are dry. Let's unmold them and see how they turn out. I hope I don't get too many bubbles. We'll see. And will my little dabs of mica powder show through? Well, slightly, but there are still highlights. Yes, it gives a nice, pretty effect. Let's go and unmold the others. In any case, it's very easy to unmold. I'm surprised. Oh yes, there are shimmers, and you can see them. I'll show you a close-up. Unfortunately, this one with the two branches won't do. It didn't fill up. Why is that? I'm going to try to turn it completely upside down. If there is if it is a bad mold, I don't know. I think I'd have to fill the two branches. I'll show you the two branches here with a pipette or something like that. But in the meantime, it hasn't filled at all. Right. So this one will stay aside. But you can see the shimmer there from the powder, which I think it's nice. And on my little heart too, you can see the powder here too. Here I like this one. And this one, yes, a little bit. I'm satisfied. And now my mixed oh, just a coaster. A green coaster. Well, you can almost put them on, but that's not my idea. Now all I have to plant my cacti in my little pots. I'm putting them aside. I have 5, yes. And I'm going to use my little pots, hermetic pots. Okay. It's still a bit sticky. Yes, inside it's it's still a bit sticky, and here I have a bit of gold leaf. I'm going to use my clay, my super light clay, this product which is very soft, and it's good because it's earth colored. I'm going to apply it in my little pots. I take a bowl and I put in my pot. I'm gonna apply it on the side very carefully. You see, I push, and on the sides I want it adheres to my pot. And I'm doing something irregular because earth is unusual, very, very regular. And I do with my little resin. It's with I lose my words. Sorry. With crystals, okay. And of course I'm putting my cactus in. The pot may look a little bit big. I'll hide the base, and then I'll simply let it dry. I'm going to finish my little pots. You get the idea. And then I don't know if I put one or two. I'll just see. I'll think about it. I'll show you the result once I've done the others. And voila, my little cacti planted. So I'll see when it dries if it holds well, the clay, and if not, I'll add some glue or something to hold the clay in place. So much for that. But I also had another idea, which was to present them on something. Yes, multiple ideas when I am working. So the coaster, no, that doesn't work for me. But I've got this mold. I thought it might be nice. So this mold I'm going to make out of either resin or jasmonite. I'll show you a photo after I poured in this mold. I don't show you the when I poured. It's not very interesting. You see, it dries. So my plate is ready, and now let's see what it looks like. Yes, it's cute, isn't it? I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty nice with my little pots. Yes, I like that. Although my pots are a bit too big for the cacti. My little plate is made of resin this time. Well, listen, that's it for my little decoration tutorial. I welcome my new subscribers. It's very kind of you to join me. So I put some photos, you see. I hope you enjoyed watching me this little decoration. It's unusual for me, no? We'll be meeting again soon for new adventures, for sure. In the meantime, take good care of yourself. See you very soon. Bye.